Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Craves. In today's video, I am going to make a delectable Italian dessert, strawberry panna cotta. Before getting into the video, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Take 1 tablespoon of gelatine. Add 2 tablespoons of hot water and stir well until all the gelatine is dissolved. Now keep it aside. Into a pan, add half a cup of chopped strawberries and 1/4 cup of sugar. Cook it over a low flame for around 3 minutes or until the strawberries turn soft. The complete list of ingredients is given at the end of the video. You may have to add more or less sugar depending on the sweetness of your strawberries. Now you can see that the strawberries have turned soft and squishy. Now turn off the stove and let them cool completely. Once the strawberries have cooled, transfer them into a blender jar. Blend it until you get a fine puree. Now pour it into a bowl. You can strain it if you don't like the seeds, but I like the crunch of the strawberry seeds. Into the same pan, add half a cup of milk and half cup of whipping cream over a low heat. Then add 1/4 cup of sugar and mix until the sugar is dissolved. Then add the gelatin mixture and mix well. Turn off the flame and let it cool down completely. Now pour in the strawberry mixture into the cool milk mixture. You may add a few drops of red food coloring if you want. Now pour them into serving bowls. You can put this into a big bowl or small individual bowls. Keep them in the fridge for 2-3 hours until they are set. After 3 hours in the fridge, our strawberry panna cotta has set perfectly. You can garnish with more strawberries before serving. Do try this easy and delicious strawberry panna cotta and tell how it turned out in the comments down below. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Do check out our other recipes